Hey Jamie, it's Josh Betzel. It was nice talking to you on the phone earlier today. And this is that video I was telling you about that's going to be showing you 3 things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, you're most likely sitting there asking yourself, Josh, why the heck are you making this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are just too busy to run their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to having help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that could help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but the keywords that you're using within that content as well. So I noticed that you don't really have any content on your homepage. You have an example of a review here, but you need content. Specifically, I would say 1,500 words, and this is the reason why. 1,500 words to be optimized with Google, because Google sends out robots, right? And these robots, they crawl and look for keywords in the content. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. Now, what am I talking about when I see these keywords? So I go over here to this Keywords Everywhere tool I use. It's about $10 for 100,000 credits, which will last you a couple of months if you want to use it yourself. And it shows you what type of keywords you're ranking for your website. And we see here that you're not ranking for any keywords. Now, I'm going to go up to your competition here, which is Mike Nickel Flooring. And this is all the keywords he's ranking for. And I'll show you why he's your competition real quick, actually. Mike Nickel Flooring. When we go over to the first organic page of Google and we type in Flooring Companies, Jacksonville, Florida, you get your ad and your map pack, and we'll get to that in a second. But he is ranked number 1. Mike is ranked number 1, therefore your competition. So let's go back to his keywords. Jacksonville Flooring, ranked number 3, 210. Flooring Companies, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 5, 110, etc. So you can go through here and see all of these volumes are people searching per month per these keywords in the Google search bar and tailored to the service and your location. All right, so these are all eyes that could be going to Mike's website instead of yours just because he's ranked number 1. All right, the second thing I want to talk to you about was just how this first page is laid out below the search bar. You have your ads. And ads are good, okay, but research shows they're only semi-effective. It could become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. And the second most important thing I want to talk to you about was citations, and that's how you get ranked in this map pack here. And I believe I found you on the first page, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, first page of Google when I found you, Vogue Flooring Incorporated, all right? First page is good, but we don't want you just at the first page. We want you in the top 3. So when people search those keywords that we're talking about, their eyes are already on your site, all right? So how do you get there? Through citations, which we consider what we call NAP, name, address, or phone number. Anything that has name, address, or phone number is considered a citation. I plugged you into my little local citation finder by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. It runs you about $30-70 a month, depending on your plan, but it shows you how many citations you have, and you come up with 13. To beat your competition out by an absolute landslide, you need about 200 to 300 of these bad boys, okay? Another thing that really helps is add a better description in here. I believe Google lets you 750 character limit count. Utilize every single one of those character counts and implement those keywords and add some more pictures, okay? That'll all help you climb in that map pack. And the third thing I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice. So what am I talking about when I say backlinks and link juice? Well, first I'm going to go over here to this tool called Ahrefs I use. All right, Ahrefs is a phenomenal SEO tool. I use it every single day. It runs you $170 a month if you want to use it. It shows you referring domains, your backlinks, the integrity of your website, the drive of your website. Also shows you organic keywords, just like Keywords Everywhere does. All right. But here we see you have 4 referring domains and 63 backlinks. So what is this link juice and what are these backlinks? Well, they work like this. Let's use LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting as link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, let's use LinkedIn again. If you have LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you, because hey, let's be honest, you sling floor installations for a living, you don't sling pizzas. All right, it's just too unrelated. So I'm gonna go over here to the competition, which is Mike's website, and this is his Ahrefs. He has 37 referring domains and 189 backlinks with a DR1. All right, now this is extremely beatable because one of the things that he does not do is, you see this negative 83 right here. When we actually go into it, you're able to see what's lost, all right? And all these are constantly getting lost because a lot of them aren't relative enough, okay? So that's what I mean by getting relative sites. Of course, he has good ones in there, as he should, but the amount of lost ones can seriously hurt your website if you don't get the right blog comments, influence links, guest posts, citations. And once you figure out how many of those 4 categories that he has, you don't want to just match them, but surpass them. All right. So I hope this was pretty helpful for you. And you're probably thinking, well, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a good day.